Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation of urban infrastructure and types of urban infrastructure. Um, if you just pay attention here, I might have to move myself around. Let's get started. What is urban infrastructure? Infrastructure can be anything from transportation networks, communication networks, roads and bridges, water transportation, and power grids. Buildings are also included in infrastructure. I don't have them listed here. It's kind of implied that they are. Also, while it's not really essential, leisure areas and parks are also considered infrastructure. And there's also, with the parks, is a lot of civilian and like inhabitant concerns with social involvement when you get involved with the leisure areas. Causes of degradation are improper maintenance and poor budgeting, caused by just a failure of government agencies to include the proper amount of funding. Adverse weather conditions also accelerate deterioration. That paired with poor maintenance and poor budgeting creates a lot of problems. Lack of public support for the expenditure. Sometimes people don't realize what is required of their tax dollars to keep these systems in place and running properly, and technology constraints with a lack of funding. So, not having the funding for the newer technology or just not having the technology available to update these systems. The effects of degradation of infrastructure is public safety hazards, poor economic performance, additional pollution, social concerns, and wasted resources, as well as environmental impact. Some of these systems that we have in place in the bigger cities and urban areas are not set to handle the growing populations that are in those areas. Additionally, uh, this could lead to poor economic performance and additional pollution because there's not enough systems for everybody, and it creates sanitation issues, which could also lead to the public safety hazards, and also environmental impact. All this stuff combined is a big problem for all the stakeholders involved. Some solutions to the crisis: getting the community involved, embrace innovative technologies. Obviously, if the funding is available, seek sustainable options that are multifaceted, meaning certain systems could have multiple uses. Establish overhaul schedules to maintain already in place infrastructure. Increase government funding. We've seen that before in 2008, 2009. There was a lot of stimulus for increased government projects and infrastructure, and set short term and long term goals by determining what systems need updated now and what systems can wait, and prioritizing that. Conclusion: urban infrastructure degradation poses a significant threat to the sustainability and livability of cities. Thus, we as planners, engineers, and citizens should make it a priority to guarantee future prosperity. None of these things are going to change until we actually go through all our systems and all our infrastructure and really start evaluating needs to be repaired and what is beyond repair, and prioritizing what we should fix. I hope this helped everybody out a little bit to understand more about what's going on with our infrastructure situation. Thank you all and have a great day.